If you manage a facility where floors take a daily beating from temperature swings and harsh cleaners to constant foot and forklift traffic, this video is for you. I'm Tom with Custom Crete Industrial Surfaces. Over the years, we've seen how frustrating it is to invest in your facility, only to have your floors crack, wear down, or fail under pressure. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly what urethane cement flooring is, who it's best for, when to consider it, and why it could be the long-term solution your operation needs. Urethane cement's a high-performance industrial flooring system designed to thrive where traditional coatings fail. Immune to moisture, won't crack under thermal shock, resists chemical attack, heavy impact, and continuous traffic. It's built for extreme environments that demand durability and performance. Urethane cement is ideal for facilities that operate under tough conditions, such as food processing plants, hygienic, washable, and heat resistant. Commercial kitchens where safety and durability can't fail. Breweries and wineries exposed to acids and heavy loads. Pharmaceutical facilities with strict compliance and sanitation standards. Cold storage and freezers, constant thermal cycling, manufacturing and warehousing, forklift traffic, and machinery loads. Think about urethane cement if you're renovating or upgrading your facility. Your current floors are cracking, wearing out, or hard to clean. You want a solution that can last 10 to 20 years with minimal maintenance. Without the right flooring, you're likely dealing with recurring repairs, slip hazards, downtime, and compliance issues. Urethane cement eliminates those risks with extreme durability, built-in slip resistance, seamless protection from thermal shock, easier cleaning, and lower maintenance costs. Pricing depends on a few key variables: square footage and layout complexity, existing floor condition and prep work, desired system thickness and top coat, and add-ons like fast cure options or extra slip resistance. It's easy to take the next step. Take our ideal flooring quiz or request a quote. We'll send a detailed proposal with system specs, pricing, and timeline. Our team handles scheduling, prep, and expert installation. Don't wait for your floor to fail. Let's protect your operation now before small issues turn into big, expensive problems. Follow steps below to request your quote. We'll build the right plan and a long-term solution you can trust.